Welcome to VX Technologies Corporation, the company that invented the complete self-sustainable, revenue-generating, plug-and-play intelligent home. Powered by the VX Smart Home Micro Power Stations that provide free electricity, home phone, TV, internet and more, while providing the occupant with a monthly income. Just imagine what this product will do for the poor and homeless around the world. Finally, a solution for housing and basic income to allow the less fortunate to instantly escape the poverty and deprivation they have been living in. A move-in ready, completely furnished 576 square foot self-sustainable intelligent home that can be pre-manufactured or built on site in any location around the world. These fully insulated homes feature a full basic 3-piece bathroom, 3 bedrooms with bunk beds that sleep 6 to 12 people. Fully furnished kitchen and living room ready for move-in, with everything the new occupants will need: pots, pans, beds, towels, shades, couches, kitchen table. Everything for modest but comfortable living. VX Technologies Corp., with the help of its revolutionary VX Smart Home Micro Power Station, provides all the utilities: electricity, home phone, air conditioning, hot and cold running water, well and septic system, internet, and a wood stove for heat. Our complete turnkey furnished package includes a 42-inch LED TV, a digital home phone, an apartment-size fridge/freezer, a 2-burner electric cook stove, a 1000-watt microwave, indoor and outdoor LED lighting, couch, kitchen table, desk, a clothesline and a home computer system pre-programmed with the VX cryptocurrency mining program capable of earning over $600 USD per month the minute you turn it on. These environment-friendly homes have no permanent foundation and just sit on concrete patio stones, making it easy to move without any damage to the original site. The VX Complete, self-sustainable, revenue-generating, intelligent homes can be installed in any remote, off-grid location around the world. Ask yourself, how many people around North America and around the world went to sleep last night in the cold, on the streets, or in a shelter? How many people will spend their day on the never-ending search for food and water and the next place to find shelter? How many of these good, less fortunate people are dependent on the government for their basic needs such as food and clothing? How long have world governments and world religions been trying to solve this horrible problem? How many cities and states in North America are experiencing out-of-control homelessness and misery for their poor and less fortunate citizens? There is an answer, and it is called a permanent home and income, which equals dignity, safety, and self-sufficiency, otherwise known as the VX Intelligent Self-Sufficient Home.